Hello once again and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea. I have this beautiful picture frame that I will be painting it with this black spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Now that it's completely painted and dry, I took a piece of pad paper that I bought at Michael's. I bought a whole book, and this is the gray color that I picked. It's a beautiful gray color. It has a certain pattern to it. Look, doesn't it look beautiful? So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this because I'm putting out my Cricut Joy, and I am going to be putting some words on top of this glass. And this is the way that it's looking so far. The love between an aunt and a niece is forever. I also went and printed a free flower from Cricut Joy, and if you have not guessed, this is a gift for one of my aunties. So now I have this metallic gold paint, and you see that border right there? I'm gonna make it pop out. So the way that I'm gonna do that is I'm just going to go ahead and dip my finger into the paint, and I am going to start rubbing around the frame. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just like that. Now I'm using the color black and the color gold because this is what my aunt likes. But remember that you can always choose your favorite colors. This is just an idea. Don't forget to watch this video until the end and let me know which one is your favorite DIY. And again, if you have not subscribed and this is your first time stopping by, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I hope you consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification button so like that you could be one of the first ones to know when I upload a video. And this is the way it's looking so far. Excuse the lights. But I also have these beautiful gold leaves that I also purchased at Dollar Tree, and I will be adding it in the bottom of the flower. But before that, I'm gonna cut one of these rhinestone flowers, and I will be putting it on top of the white flower, and it is self-adhesive. And here are the gold leaves that I was telling you about. I'm just gonna cut several of them and put them close to the white flower. Keep watching so this can all make sense. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this DIY. And this is how it's turning out, but I have this little butterfly, and this will be the final touch. What do you think about this beautiful butterfly? If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So I have this fish bowl that I purchased at Dollar Tree. This is the bigger size. They have two sizes. And I am going to start painting the inside with this off-white color. Once I was done with the off-white, I decided that the gray color that I'm using now was not gonna work, so I switched to the black color, and that is the one that I'm going to be using. Let me know in the comment section what colors you would be using if you do decide to create something like this. And this is the way that it's looking so far. Now I went to my Cricut Joy and I printed out a fish. I'll be putting it on front of the fishbowl. And this is the way that it looks so far. I have a candle warmer that I will be using. I went outside and I painted in black, and now I'm going to be using this adhesive all-purpose super glue from Dollar Tree as well. And I'll just let it sit for several hours, and this is it. We're all done. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. So my aunt's last name starts with a P. I purchased this letter P at a grab bag at Michael's. I took some of this metallic gold paint just to keep the colors flowing, and I am going to dab it just like you see here, but I'm still gonna let the white penetrate. Something nice and simple, and I think that my auntie is going to love it. And again guys, if you have not subscribed, I would love for you to be part of my channel. And remember, if you like these DIYs, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So I went to a secondhand store about 2 years ago and I found these wooden beads. It was a beaded car seat, and I bought it for $4, and I went and I took it apart, and I am going to be creating a garland with this. So as you guys can see, I am really bad doing these tassels. So I'm gonna try to do my best so you can see how I do it. That's why I always do it off camera, because I am not the best. But let's go ahead and fast forward this so you can have an idea of how I make this tassel. And there we go. We are done with our tassel. I'm going to give it a little haircut, and I'll start working on this keychain that I purchased at Michael's. I think it came like 3 or 4 in a package for 99 cents. I'm going to paint it with this metallic gold acrylic paint. I'm going to paint all of it, the back, the side, and the front. Once that is dry, I'm coming back in with some rub-ons, and I am going to be using the word family, and that's what I'm going to be putting on the keychain, which will be part of our garland. And here is the word family. I think this is turning out absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Leave me in the comment section and let me know which of all these DIYs you have enjoyed the best. Don't forget to comment, leave me your name, and from what part of the world you are watching me. I hope you enjoy it.